drinking on something. I ain't gotta be drinking on something. You chilling with me. What the hell you doing something with a girl? You ain't gotta be drinking on.
Who's gonna? No makeup. Alright, so I'm starting off by taking Ore from the Morphe 3502 palette and a NYX number 16 brush and applying that as my transition shade. Now I'm taking the shade Lure from the Anastasia Prism palette. It's like a pinkish purple rose color, and just applying that more so to the outer corner with the same brush. Now I'm taking Wet n Wild crease brush and the NYX single shadow Pink Lady. Alright, so to get it really pink, I'm taking the shade Tila from the Sephora Pro Editorial palette. It's just a hot pink shade, and this blending brush by Jasmine LaBelle is one of the best blending brushes I own, and I'm just gonna blend that out, blend, and add more of the pink as you need to. And now I'm adding a little bit more of Pink Lady with that same brush. To cut the crease, I use a Jasmine LaBelle flat shader brush and my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in number 25. And while I was doing this, I also then applied my Too Faced glitter glue. Glitters got lost in the sauce, but to apply the glitter I'm using a flat brush and some NYX mixing medium and a pink glitter I got from Michaels. And to fill in any gaps, I'm using Too Faced glitter liner in Very Clean. And I get a leader. She can't get the Snickers from another nigga. She know what I did with the tweaks. My ex-girlfriend can't stand her, 'cause a new man hit her with the Jolly Rancher. And I want you, call me your Willy Wonka. And I want you, call me your Willy Wonka. Yeah. And I want you, call me your Willy Wonka. Yeah, I know they after me. I got that chocolate factory. Come through, love mama, come through. If you know what's good for you, if you know what's good for you, I come through, love shot of come through. If you know what's good for you, if you know what's good for you.
Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Teresa,
you know,
I'm trying to looking, babe, I'm into you. You're real. Make a little money, leave a little on the dresser. Make a little money, leave a little. Front grill looking like some dancing. Put some stacks on your head, little boy. Let everybody call you the grandson. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you. Nah, nah. Don't take my number. Don't want your number. I'll call you back if that head right. Baby, I won't love you, and I can't love you unless that pussy got some superpowers. I want you, nah, nah. I'm not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby, I want you, nah, nah.
I personally like both, but if you don't like it, then don't use it. My stuff has to be like rap all night. So I'm gonna use two different stuff. Two SDK all nighters.
Fuck a skinny model right before her one-way show. She the one in the back, nose running from the blow. And we did it on the floor. So as she walking kinda funny, shoulda never put us on. Bitch, I'm only 24 and everybody's salty. Nigga, stop your bitching. Everybody making money.
Valentine's Day proof makeup. It's transfer proof, waterproof, nasty proof. I'm assuming. I don't know for sure. If you find out, do not let me know.